everyone. Today we're going to be talking about what a Posh Ambassador is. There's been a lot of confusion on what the heck it means. So we're going to be talking about what exactly a Posh Ambassador is. My name is Karen.
I'm Jay.
We're with the Thrifty Flamingo. We talk a lot about Poshmark and reselling in general. So if you're interested in this content, we would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel.
And if you're new to the channel and haven't gotten a chance to see our free 6-part Poshmark workshop on the ins and outs of Poshmark and how we run a Poshmark business out of our own house, click on the first link in the description and get on our email list. We're going to be sending out those videos to you guys, one per day for the next 6 days. You'll get that free workshop right in your email. You can't get these videos on YouTube, so if you want to get part of that workshop, just click on the first link in the description and get on our email list.
Awesome. So, Posh Ambassador. We've been getting so many questions about this. What is it? Should I become one? People tell me not to become one.
People think that sales decline when you become a Posh Ambassador. And
yeah, there's a rumor going
stuff
around.
like that. I've heard it so much, and that's just not the case. That's not what happens when you become a Posh Ambassador. Posh Ambassador is a good thing. You want to be a Posh Ambassador. There's a couple of reasons why, and we're going to go over those reasons with you.
Yeah, so the first thing is, when you become a Posh Ambassador, Poshmark recommends your closet to new poshers. New poshers, when they sign up for the app, they automatically follow your closet without actually clicking on your closet. So your followers increase, depending on size profile that you set up and the size profile that they set up.
And we all know the more followers you have, the more sales you're going to get. So there's a direct correlation between followers and sales. Obviously, the more people that see your products gives you a better chance of them buying one of your articles of clothing or accessories or whatever you're selling. So the more followers equals more sales.
How's that a bad thing? The next thing is you're going to get exclusive newsletters. They usually come about once a month with insider details on the Poshmark community.
If there's a new feature that they're going to roll out, you'll find out about it first in the newsletters. Posh Ambassadors are always the first to know when a new feature or new changes to the app are coming out, and you'll find out all that information in the Posh Ambassador newsletter. So it's a great thing to keep track of because it's going to give you insight into changes that are coming to Poshmark and what they can do for you.
You also get early access to fun programs and special opportunities. Yep. For example, when they released the PoshFest tickets, the very first people that they released PoshFest tickets to were 2 Posh Ambassadors.
And PoshFest just about sold out when that happened. So if you weren't a Posh Ambassador, it was really hard for you to get a ticket to PoshFest. So that's a great benefit, and there's other benefits too.
We just signed up for the Poshmark Live event in New York City. So that came in the form of one of the monthly emails to the Posh Ambassadors. They do like tours around the U.S. and in major cities. Last time they came to New York and to Boston, we couldn't make it. So we both got the email like simultaneously. We were both going, ooh. Ooh! So yeah, we wouldn't have had access to that unless we were Posh Ambassadors.
Right.
Now, to become a Posh Ambassador, it's pretty much just doing what you should be doing anyways.
Yep.
You're listing, you're selling, you're sharing, you're active in your community within your sharing your own items, sharing other people's items, and purchasing something here and there.
If you don't know what it takes to become a Posh Ambassador, all you have to do is click on the Posh Stats tab in your My Posher area there, and they're going to tell you exactly what you need to do to become Posh Ambassador. There's a checklist, and it's going to give you a percentage bar of how close you are to becoming that Posh Ambassador, and every criteria is going to have that percentage bar, and it's going to fill in slowly as you get closer to becoming a Posh Ambassador.
So as long as you're doing what you already should be doing on Poshmark, you should become a Posh Ambassador in no time. And again, last time to debunk this myth, they do not slow down your sales for becoming a Posh Ambassador.
Me and Karen are both Posh Ambassadors. Karen is a full-time reseller, and the bulk of her income comes from Poshmark, and she sells more and more every day because she's a Posh Ambassador. So she's getting between 5 and 10 sales a day on some days, even more on some other days.
On weekends.
And we haven't seen a slowdown in our sales, and we're both Posh Ambassadors, so I'm sure that if you ask other Posh ambassadors, they're gonna tell you the same thing. It's just not true. I don't know where that rumor came from, but it's not good for Poshmark. So just if you hear it, just disregard it. You want to become a Posh ambassador. It's good for your business and it's good for Poshmark.
Poshmark only makes money when you make a sale. There's no other way that they get money out of you. So why would they slow down the algorithm in your favor for being a Posh ambassador? They wouldn't. They want you to make sales because that's money in their pocket. So I really hope this has shed some light on what a Posh ambassador is. It's a good thing.
Definitely a good thing.
If you have anything to add to it, definitely leave a comment below. Or if you're on your way to being a Posh ambassador and need some help, leave it in the comment below. We'll definitely get back to you.
And don't forget to click that first link in the description if you're new here. Get on our email list and we'll get you that free 6-part Poshmark workshop right to your email. So you don't have to do anything but sign up, and there you go.
All right, guys. Happy poshing.
Have a great one.